Alright, guys, before we jump into the collision system and game over mechanics, let's take a little break and add something fun to our game. We are gonna give our player a cool looking tail using Unity's particle system. So, first select the player in the hierarchy, then go to Add Component. Search for the particle system and add it. You will instantly see some default particles playing. But don't worry, we are gonna tweak them so they fit our game style. Let's adjust a few settings. Set the duration to 1, start lifetime to about 1.2, start speed should be 0 so the particles don't float away, and set the start size to zero point 0.2. Now, for the simulation space, change it from local to world. This way, the trail stays behind even when the players move. Scroll down to emission and set rate over time to 4. That control how many particles spawn per second. Next, open the shape tab, set it to circle and make the radius super tiny, like 0.001. That makes the particle spawn right from the player's center. Now, for some style, enable size over lifetime. Click the curve and choose one that starts big and fades out small. Then, expand texture sheet animation, set the mode to sprite and assign the little square sprite you created earlier. That is gonna be used for each particle in the trail. Finally, scroll to the render section. For the material, select sprite default so it render nicely in 2D. Save the project and hit play and check it out. Now we have got this clean square shaped trail following the player, looks really nice. Oh, and one last tweak, select the player again and set its ordinary layer to 1. That makes sure the player is always visible in front of the tail. Alright, that's it for this video. See you there.